M0FXB, welcome to my channel. Big thank you to the video I've been watching, Whistler Scanners here, Airshow World. Just learning about trunking. I've never even thought about trunking until I had a scanner. So, trunk radio systems. Now I've added some very basic settings here that I've been taught to do by Airshow World's video. And I can switch between them by just switching between my vScanner folders. So if you go File, Open vScanner folders, I've got folders for the UK, for America, and one of them is called trunking. And how do you create a new folder? You go Cancel, just go File, New Configuration, select one of the empty ones, and then you can send the whatever you've configured on your scanner software here, which at the moment we're on this. Now you could change to a different scan list, drop down there, create a whole scan list if you want for, for trunking. And so I can flick between basically. So trunk systems. Now, the first thing I did was went to general settings and then advanced features. And on the left here, I selected on line 3, alpha tag and TGID. Line 4, it says system and site name. And line 5, VC and CC. Lower down, conventional channels, TGID and alpha tag. And then line 5, radio ID. And that's all I changed on that section. Then I went to radio trunk systems here. The radio trunk systems, and I clicked new. And when I clicked new, I'll do another one now. I got a new line here. So you can see the one there says new system. And within the two lines, I put in, on one of them I put in M0FXB DMR, and I just turned on AGC and I selected United Kingdom, like so. I got digital here. AGC, there it is there, on. And I put P25 on one, and I could have called that DMR if I wanted to. Go DMR, like so. That's how I created that new line. And then I went down to selected the actual item. So if we go to P25, like so. When you select it, you get this new page appear at the bottom. It changes, see that? P25, like so. So when I was in this section, I clicked, it says here Site 1. I think you can rename that. So that one is P25's in it, so rename it P25. Like so. Just to make it easier to find. Just minimize that. So when I got to that, I didn't touch anything here, but I did. This is where you can add in frequencies. Now, the frequency, where you have to select it, highlight it, and these are the frequencies, and they're just random frequencies. They're not for any system. They're random frequencies that I saw. So. And it says here frequency options, and it does say FM, NFM, so it doesn't mention digital at all there. So let's just have a quick look if there's any more options here. It looks to me like it's using narrow FM digital, I think. Then I clicked over to site options here, left it to autofill, because the idea is that it will autofill the other frequencies if there are any. So that's what I did on the P25 one. If we go to the DMR one, the original DMR one there, same again, when you click it, same settings at the top, United Kingdom, digital, AGC, that's all the same. Then we click down lower here, trunk system, and we click that, and then again, frequencies, you put in the frequencies, site options, I'll just click that. What did I put on the other one? Let me just check. P25, site options. So I think it's better to select autofill, apply to all sites, digital, AGC. We just put that on, apply to all sites. We'll click that. Then we'll click the other one as well, which we haven't done anything to. Click. Again, we'll do autofill. If we get that choice. Look, we need to put frequencies in there, which we haven't done yet. So I'll leave that one because that's one that I haven't done yet. So back to the P25 one, click here, frequencies there. So really, once I did that, then I pretty much sent it to the radio into a separate folder and told it to scan, and I'll show you at the end what the radio is scanning, but it's not receiving anything. So I am just learning this. I've never used trunk systems. I am in the UK. I know that in America there's a lot more trunk systems and they've got preset, let's call it code plugs, to do all this. Now one thing they did mention was this wildcard thing. Apparently that's quite important because it's almost like it will help you find things. You select wildcard and it will help you find things. So where was that gone? If I can find that. Audio options there. So we go back to advanced settings. We got this. Click audio options as well. Search. These are the settings. I don't think I changed them. Receive PCIF. I don't think I changed that. So have a look here. Trunk DMR, yeah, that's the scan list it's putting everything into, and you can create new channels from there as well. Conventional's blank, so I'm guessing I could import some trunk frequencies there, because I could get a text file from somewhere like RRUK and try that. I haven't tried that one yet. Trunk radio system. Now I'm just trying to find that selection where you select wildcard, which I cannot see now. Someone tell me where that is. Let's do the other one. Like so. Yeah, I can't seem to see that. Library, import, weather. Oh, that's different. There is a wildcard selection there. I'm just going to find it a minute. Yeah, I found it. So when you select trunk systems talk group details here, look, you get the option here to add wildcard. So I think that way it will search for any talk group number. Let's go here as well. See, on this section here where I haven't done it yet, you can go add wildcard. See that? And then you can set it as well. Set. And it's added wildcard. The other one that you can add different LED colors. On, you can add a color. Okay, you can click set. You've got colors will work. You can record, set it to record. You can add new, look, if you want. I'm not going to do that now because I'm just learning. Again, record, let's add a color here. On, color. So you get alerts basically. Set. So let me know if you're in the UK. If you've got a nice, interesting file, send it me so I can load that and have a look at it and see how this all works. But the idea is with trunk systems that you've got one main frequency. And look at this here, you've got a drop down here. DMR, NXDM, P25 and Motorola, etc. You've got one sort of master frequency, and then that is given out to say 10 other frequencies. And then so you've got the controller, then you've got all the, say, every 10 different bands driving, and they can all be heard by the master controller, but they've all got separate frequencies as well because it can get very busy. So I do find it fascinating learning. So thanks for watching. I'm going to learn more on this, and 7.3, bye for now.